Your last TikTok got 300 views and 0 sales, while your competitor made 6 figures from a dancing pickle. Frustrating, right? But in the next few minutes, I'm giving you the 2025 playbook that turns trends into cold, hard revenue. We're shifting from guessing to gaining, and from watching others win to crushing it yourself. First, stop thinking of TikTok as just an entertainment app. It's a search engine. While a dance trend dies in 48 hours, a searchable, problem-solving video works for you for months. This is why the algorithm now prioritizes saves over likes. A save tells TikTok someone finds your content valuable enough to revisit, signaling high purchase intent. Stop chasing vanity follower counts and start optimizing every video for saves and searchable keywords. Here's the simple formula for what to post. 1. Hijack a trending audio within 24 hours. Speed is everything. 2. Make your product the hero or punchline, not the pitch. Show it solving a problem organically. 3. Use a proven format, like an ASMR unboxing with a whispered price reveal. And who posts this? Micro-influencers. 10 creators with 10,000 followers will outperform one celebrity every time because their engagement and trust are off the charts. Now, turn those views into cash. TikTok Shop is your direct line to sales. During your upload, simply toggle on Show Product Card. Videos with this feature see a 32% higher click-through rate because you're removing all friction between inspiration and purchase. Pro tip: set that product card to appear at the 3-second mark. That's the sweet spot just after the hook, but before the viewer can swipe away. It's the simplest way to turn every video into a checkout page. You have the 2025 playbook. Create searchable content, use the trend formula, and close the sale seamlessly with TikTok Shop. The only thing left is execution. If you want a free Notion template that auto-plans your next 30 days of content, tap the link in my bio. Now go get started, hit subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you dominating the For You page.